and strength.
And where's the chat? Where's the chat?
Yeah, somehow it started already.
Yeah, no, I.
Go here to docs, chat. Let me see if my computer.
Well, I got my stuff opened up. I don't know if we are streaming. This is gold. Let's clean some charts here. Good morning, good morning. Okay, so I guess I'm streaming. We are live. I think we are live.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
People must be thinking, when is this guy gonna learn how to stream?
Yes, you are live now.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Caesar. All right. We have some people joining in. We've got a crowd joining in. Why doesn't it say live here? We've got a crowd joining in. Welcome everyone one more time to Umair Raja's YouTube live stream. We are looking at gold on Torah Markets platform. And we are getting ready, all set to crush the market yet again. We've got some people joining in. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. I'm late as usual. Morning Raja, rise and shine, rise and shine, rise and shine. Yeah, okay. Yes, let's go. Let's fucking go. Let me expand this chat again to see like what everyone is saying. Yes, let's go. Hello, hello, live and ready. Live and ready. Caesar, I hope you win the funded account today. I hope Caesar wins the funded account today. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam. Sir, market up, ja, TIA down. Okay, so let's see. Let's see, you know, honestly, I haven't even opened up the charts since morning. So let's see, you know, let's see where the market going to take us today, right? So right now, things don't really seem that interesting to me, to be very honest. As you can see, I've already drawn the trend lines here. And nothing really seems to be that convincing. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam. We are live. 500 subscriber, 10K account giveaway. Bro, let's go. Let's actually go. How many subscribers do I have right now? 10K account giveaway. Okay, so we're gonna do 10K account giveaway if the live stream hits. Right now there are like 31 live people watching. Now we've got 33. So if this live stream ever hits 50 people at any point during this stream, we are going to do a 10K Pipstone funded account giveaway. That's what we're going to do. Boom. Yeah, exactly. That's what we're going to do. Today we're not going to be doing 5K account. We're going to be doing 10K account to one lucky winner. And the draw is going to be very fair. Very fair. How to win the funded account. So by the way, I think the last, anyway, I forgot what I was saying. Session 6, here we go. I never missed any session. You know, Ashik, I think Ashik, you won the one of the funded accounts too. I believe. I think so. Yeah, bro. Yeah. So guys, this is a mini live stream. The reason why I say mini live stream is because we have 30, 40, 50 people usually watching this live stream, and there's insane chance for you to win a funded account in these giveaways. Because imagine, the probability of you winning is out of only 30 to 40 people. That's just crazy, so it's just insane. I don't think there's a higher probability of you winning a funded account on anywhere in the world other than this live stream because of the amount of people we have, right? So we've hit 40. We've hit 40 members right now. And if we hit 50 today at any point in this live stream, we are going to be giving out a 10K funded account by Pipstone Capital. The prop firm with the most lenient rules in the industry. I'm not saying it because I created it. I'm saying it because I have created this prop firm, something that I am comfortable trading in. I have created rules in this prop firm in a way that makes sense for me as a trader. I have created drawdown rules. I have created profit targets. There's no bullshit like consistency rule. That's the most bullshit ever rule in my why should a trader have a rule that caps your profit? If you understand consistency rule, it caps your profits. It limits your profits. That means it brings you to a mindset where your profits are limited. You cannot trade until a certain profit. And that's crazy. I think that is so against a trader. Any prop firm that you see that has consistency rule, just go in their FAQ sections, just type the word consistency rule in the search results. And if you see that they've got consistency rule going on any of the challenges, that prop firm is not for you. That prop firm is designed to be against you, because that prop firm does not want you to win. No matter what justification they say, oh, gambling behavior and whatever shit. There's no gambling behavior. If the trade is going in your favor and it's going really good, why not keep the profits, right? So personally, I would hate if any person or any platform limits my profits. I would hate that, so at Pipstone Capital, I don't have to sell this stuff to you guys. If you guys are prop traders, it's literally for you, it's literally for someone like me, right? So that's pretty much what it is. That's the reason why, I have a public face to this company, something that traders should come in, join and make money, period. That's it, with no limitations. So that's pretty much what it is. Our instant funded account is the best account out there. Why? It's because it does not have consistency rule. It does not have, it has on-demand payouts, no evaluation, no challenges, no. Now there's another thing that prop firms have is they put a drawdown limit on per trade. So per trade, they have a drawdown percentage limit of sometimes 1%, 2%, that if one trade goes in a drawdown past 1%, you're going to breach your account. That's fucked. Why trade a prop firm that, man, it's just no brainer in a sense. There's no drawdown limit per trade. You can trade news. You can hold your trade over the weekend because, again, you cannot predict the market perfectly. So that's the reason why at Pipstone, you can hold your trades over the weekend. You can hold your trades overnight without swap fees. There are no swap fees charged, no interest charged. So if your trade is held and the market is closed, the next day your trade is going to start at the same price, there's no swap fee charged on that trade. So you can hold your trades over the weekend. You can hold your trades overnight. You can trade the news. You can, I don't know. So it's just I hope you guys can feel the passion in this, in whatever I'm saying right now. Like I've not prepared for this shit. Like it's this prop firm is just created. It seems like there are no rules. If you're someone who has to go in the FAQ section of any prop firm to understand what the rules are, that prop firm is not for you. Because deep down inside, you are trying to figure out hidden rules in that prop firm. And if you have to do that, if you have to spend time into understanding the rules that are there in that prop firm, I mean, bro, that prop firm is not for you, because trading itself is so stressful. You have to focus on the market, you have to focus on the price, you have to focus on so many things. And at the same time, if you're wondering that if you're missing out on a prop firm rule, a hidden rule, or whatever the case might be, bro, that prop firm is not for you. So you just need to realize that. That's pretty much what it is. And yeah, so and then at Pipstone, at the end of the day, you can get you get to keep all your profits. There's no profit cap. I don't know what else to say. So again, best prop firm out there. We've got 71 members on this stream. So congratulations, guys. We are going to be doing a 10K giveaway, a 10K funded account giveaway of Pipstone Capital. We are going to be doing that, and it's official. So we're going to be doing that, period. That's amazing. That's amazing. We set a quota of 50 people joining this stream, and we're going to be qualified to do a 10K giveaway account. We're going to be doing 10K giveaway account at the end of this stream. Like, absolutely. This is insane. 50 hit. Yes, I've seen that before you did. So this is good. Please also recommend learning platforms. Learning platforms is something that you can just do on my stream. Just follow my stream and do a lot of learning here. Just to give you guys an insider to the 56 members that we have right now, I am also creating a course. There is a lot of demand. There are a lot of people asking me how to, because, okay, there are a lot of people, including my friends, including my family. They are looking at all the content I'm posting, all the trades I'm posting and all that stuff. And naturally, they now want to start trading. People who don't know how to trade, they are asking me questions. How should I trade? I want to get into Forex. I want to start trading. I want to plan my retirement. There's a friend of mine who works in Saudi, and he works a really good job, but at the same time, he's like, what? Like, I want to plan my retirement. I want some money on the side and all that stuff, and I want to learn trading. So my answer to him is like, I don't know how to teach you. I don't know. I tell people, hey, you know what? First, learn candlestick. What is candlestick? Learn the definition of pips. What is it called? Spreads. Support, resistance, trend line, demand zone, supply zone. Like, these are basic definitions that you got to learn in order for you to really make sense what the charts are saying, right? So to these kind of people, like, I don't have time to tell you what a candlestick is, what a wick is, what a range is, what a rejection is, what a support, resistance, pips, spreads, all that shit is, right? Lot size, how a lot size works, like, I don't have time for that, right? To give one-on-one coaching on basics, right? So to these kind of people, and I'm getting tons of people just messaging me because of that, right? Like, what should I do and all that stuff. So now what I've decided is that I'm going to make a course. I'm going to make a course, and it's just not going to be a course. It's just not going to be that stupid bullshit course that every other influencer who has no background in trading, who has nothing in trading, and all of a sudden they're looking at a demand that people want to get into Forex, and they are just launching courses. And honestly, you can literally just go on ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT that I want to launch a course. It's going to give you all the script. You just need to sit in front of the camera, say all that shit, record it, and shoot some pictures with cars, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and all that. And people are going to start buying your course. That is a scam. That is fraud. That is not real, because that person has no background in trading. So unless and until you know the background of that person that you're following, what do they do? if they have a company that they're running, what they are doing in that company. Before that company, what were they doing? What were their accomplishments? How old they are? You know, like all these things really matter when you're following a mentor. So my course is not just going to be just any other BS out there in the market. It's going to be something that is going to, once you're going to see that, you're going to be like, fuck, you know, this shit has some value in it. Like value in a sense, not just value that you're going to learn, like what is a pip, what is a spread. You can Google that shit, right? You're not just going to know my strategy. You can learn my strategy here for free, right? So you're going to get something insane. And I can't reveal that here because I just don't like talking about things, you know, before they go live. So yeah, just stay tuned. So, bro, lagging your stream. Is it actually lagging? I don't know. Maybe fix your internet. True, many courses are scam. Yeah, absolutely. Courses. If someone is selling you a course, just look at what their background is. Look at their age, how old they are. Because age tells you the experience that a person has, number one. Number two, you need to look at if they run a company in the industry. Because if they run a company in the industry, that means that they have tons of exposure. Because running a successful business in the financial industry is not easy. It's not easy at all. You need to be connected. You need to know people. You need to know exactly what's going on in the market for you to create something that at the end of the day benefits people, right? So it's a whole other thing. So that defines that you've got exposure, right? Now, before starting that company, before starting that business, what was this person doing before that? You know, what is their background? You know, so you really need to see so many things that they are doing for you to really understand and to make up your mind that, okay, should I follow this guy or not? Because there are so many people out there. And it's as simple as Google Forex Mentor or Google or go to ChatGPT and just write like, give me Forex mentors that I need to follow. It's going to give you so many names and you can follow anyone, right? But you have to set a criteria that who you need to follow, what is their background. That is very important, right? So now let's focus on the charts. Enough of this talk that we are having right now. So I'm going to draw some trend lines on the best platform, in my opinion. Everyone has opinions. Everyone has the right to have opinion, right? So in my opinion, Torah Markets is the best broker out there. Is the best broker out there. I have proven day in, day out. Fastest ever execution. When you are trading, you need to trade with a broker that has the fastest execution. As soon as you press click, the trade is executed. As soon as you press buy, and we are looking for buys, that's why I'm talking about buys, you know, your lot is open right away. As soon as you press close, there's no slippage. And it's closed right away. Like right away, right away. Like so quick that it even shocks you, right? So that's basically what it is. And yeah. Okay, let's start. Let's start and take some buys because this 30-minute candle is retesting this support right here. Look at this. So we are going to go on this 30-minute time frame, and this is approaching this support right here. So overall pressure is bullish on the 30-minute time frame, and look at this. So right here, it has broken past this trend line of the 30-minute candle. It has filled this range right here, And what I'm thinking is that we have a 10 to 15 pip opportunity right here. The trend line has been broken, but then this support area needs to be retested. Okay, so I am just going to adjust this a bit, and okay, so it is. I'm going to take a buy right here on the retest, and if it pushes down further, I'm going to take another buy on this retest. And okay, there we go. $5 lot, 10 pips done, $700 and $1,000, you know, boom, done. You know, this is the power of buy at support, sell at resistance, and boom. You know, this is like I just got 20 pips out of this position. 20 pips. 20 pips out of this position. It's right in front of you. Less than 1 minute. Few seconds. And I've closed my trade with $1,000, and that's absolutely nuts. That's just crazy. This is the power of a broker that has no bullshit going on this. As soon as I pressed buy, my trade opened up. As soon as I pressed close, it closed right away with the press of a button. That's it. That's it. You know, so if you are someone who took this buy right now, this was just absolutely amazing. This is the first sip of my coffee with a successful trade, and that's amazing. That is crazy. You know, so yeah. So $979 is what I made on this trade. It was a $5 lot. That is 20 pips. That is 20 pips that I made on this trade. Okay? So this is great. This is amazing. This was a great trade. Good morning, let's go. Please add MT5. Okay, so now so the rule is follow your plan. Whenever you take a trade and you're out of that, you close that trade, just sit and relax. Just sit and relax because you just took a trade. So just calm down. There's no need to hunt for another trade. I just took a trade and yeah, that was it, right? So let's see. Make is yes, nice. We are waiting, sir. Consistency is good. Consistency rule is not good, but consistency in trading is very good. Who taught you trading? I learned trading in 2015. I took a course from this mentor. I paid him $499. And I actually traded with Raja Banks. Raja, my brother, right? So me and Raja took this course together. And we learned Forex together. And, then I also started my e-commerce business back in 2017. And up until that time, it was 2 years for me since I was trading. So I started becoming profitable in trading, and when you're making money out of trading, like you don't know, like you should focus on taking that money out in chunks, putting it into places that will multiply that money further, right? So I used to make profits, withdraw those profits every week. 50% of my profits were withdrawn, and I used to just invest all that money in my hidesleather.com, my e-commerce business. So at the same time, like I was trading, and instead of taking bank loans and all that stuff, because in order to start an e-commerce business and the type of products that I have, they are expensive, right? So you have to have an inventory, you have to have media buyers, you have to have someone to fulfill your orders, to pack orders, to customer service, marketing, paying videographers, photographers, run social media. You need all these people to run a business, to run an e-commerce business. It's not a joke, right? So, and you need money to start all that. You need to buy all that inventory. I have around 100 different products in that e-commerce business that are selling today. And in order to keep an inventory of all those 100 different products, it requires money. It requires investment. So I used my trading funds to keep investing in that business. Because the way trading works, if you don't withdraw your money, one day that money is going to be gone. Because one day market is going to go against you and you're going to lose that money. So the art is to keep taking money out every single week. Every Friday should be your withdrawal date. You know, if you're trading on Torah markets, every Friday you should have a withdrawal day, you know, where you are withdrawing money, you know, from your Torah markets account. Whatever you have traded from Monday to Thursday, Friday fucking morning, you need to take money out. You need to take out 50% of your profits and move those 50% profits in things that will further multiply. So now you have a trading account and then you have another basket that is making you money. So you need to create that. And you know, the way I started trading, I started scaling my e-commerce business, and today that e-commerce business that I have, hidesleather.com, you can go to that website. We sell worldwide. And this business, alhamdulillah, it does 7 figures in sales every single year, you know, and it's running in Canada, right? There's a physical office in Canada. There's a store, a showroom in Canada. There's a full blow warehouse facility in Canada, right? And I'm in Dubai, right? I've automated that business that is running in Canada, and you can Google that, hidesleather.com. And now I'm in Dubai, and you know, with all that stuff, with all that experience now, you know, like I'm just running businesses here, you know. So that's my story in short. And the most exciting thing, honestly speaking, in my life right now is Pipstone Capital. The most exciting thing, you know, because it's just so different from any other prop in the industry. I have this chance, you know, like to make something that, you know, that I wish that it existed before. You know, like that's something that I would feel that this is exactly what I would want in a prop firm. And I have the freedom to do that. I can literally go in the back end and I can adjust rules in a press of a button. I can adjust, add, remove things with a press of a button. You know, this is just, you know, so it's just amazing. It's just amazing. And yeah, who teach you trading? So that was the answer to that. Let's go, Raja and Cole. Let's fucking go. Let's go. And by the way, if you guys are wondering what platforms we have, so currently we have Match Trader platform on Pipstone Capital. Match Trader platform was awarded the best platform for props on Forex Expo Dubai this year, right? So Match Trader platform is a no joke platform. That's the reason why I chose Match Trader platform, because it's very suitable for prop firms, you know. But we are getting more platforms as well. We are getting C Trader end of this week, and that should be live. Take rest, bro. Read our messages too. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm reading my messages. Can you please show Raja brothers are creating good ecosystem? Absolutely, man. You know, when you're part of this ecosystem, you cannot go out because you've got every single thing just available to you. You've got education, you've got funding, you've got the best brokers in the world, you've got university, the Market Fluidity University, you've got, man, and the education that I'm working on right now that I'm going to release very soon, man, that's going to blow shit out of the park. Good afternoon from Australia. I am very excited. I don't know what I was saying, but yes. Good afternoon from Dubai, from Umair, Raja. Welcome to my live stream, Wise Talks. It's great to have you on, buddy. It's great to have you on, and I hope you took a buy at this support area. I hope you did that, right? Because this was a no-brainer buy opportunity. Market is retesting. Look at this. But it will end up breaking past it. And yeah. So we are doing a 10K giveaway account today. Absolutely. What's the overall trend? Bearish or bullish? Overall, personally, like to check overall trend, you gotta go to the daily time frame, and it is so bearish that is not even funny. I think the current daily candle is gonna push all the way down. There's a bearish range to fill right here. So that's what I'm thinking. If I adjust this trend line, yeah. So I think it's gonna just, the overall trend is bearish. Salam Umair bhai, walaikum salam, mob 2716. Walaikum assalam. Yes, let's go. Let's fucking go. How do you select winner? I'm gonna select winner by just random, I'm gonna shuffle this chat, and whoever is gonna be online, I'm just gonna pick one winner for the $10,000 funded account at Pipstone Capital. We will win, inshallah. Yes, absolutely. Win THF, yeah. Waiting for Pipstone funded account, absolutely. I hope Fahaz Sham 7749, I hope you win the funded account today. When is 100K funded happening? So $100,000 funded account giveaway is happening on November 2nd. If you watched my video where I was in a pool and I was announcing that giveaway. So if you watched that video, that's where I'm announcing that giveaway. It's going to happen on November 2nd. All you have to do is to follow my page, follow Pipstone Capital, and you have to be part of my Telegram channel, my free Telegram channel. I don't have a VIP Telegram channel. It's just a free all-in Telegram channel. You can just join that. And if you're in all three places, we're going to pick one lucky winner, and we're going to give $100,000 instant funded account to one lucky winner. So yeah, that's basically what it is. No, I didn't win a funded account. Okay, we are waiting, sir. Yep, soon, inshallah, we will hit done. Good, prop firm, super condition. Yeah, super easy conditions at Pipstone Capital. Super fucking easy. Like, I don't know what words to say. It's just the easiest prop out there. There are influencers who even contact me. All the influencers who are out there, they have started to contact us and asking us, why are your rules so simple? And they're asking us questions like, why don't you have any rules? Like, they're honestly asking these questions. Why do we not have any rules? Right? And they start thinking, why? Right? So, I don't know why. Because this prop firm is built for myself. It's built for a person like me. That's it, period. Yes, best prop firm who taught you trading. And true, the rules and conditions are very simple for trading. Yeah, absolutely. Just check it out on Pipstone Capital and look at other prop firms. Look at FTMO, look at E8, and look at all these Forex funds. And I don't know, personally, to be very honest, I don't even look at any other prop firm. Personally, I don't. I don't like competing with prop firms. I don't like competing in this industry. I have only created this prop firm based on something that I like. I've just asked myself, okay, what will I like as a trader? And that's what I've created. That's pretty much what it is. I don't like to look at other prop firms and see what they're doing. I started using trend line from higher time frame to lower time frame. It works so good. It absolutely works like a killer. So as I have imagined, this thing is going to just push down. So again, right now is not the time to take a sell position, because never visualize support or resistance breaking and taking a trade before it even broke. So please don't do that, right? You should always wait for it to break. Like, look at this. Eventually it will break. Just watch. It will break, right? But don't execute a trade before it's broken. So that's what it is. Hey, inshallah today, winning funded account, inshallah. Sukena Bibi. Inshallah, आज $10,000 funded account आपका ही होगा. I am confused to who chose to follow? Raja Umair or Raja Banks? Zuhaib Mastoi 245. That's a great question, and that is entirely up to you. But whoever you follow, you're in great hands and you're going to be taken care of. Your strategy is very best. It's simple. My strategy is very simple. I block the noise. If you are someone who is, if you follow a mentor who tells you to look at indicators, indicators are lagging indicators. Indicators are bullshit. Indicators are something where, they act after the price has moved. When I say lagging indicators, the word lagging means that they only react when the price has already made the move. So following an indicator is always going to give you a loss because the indicators are just noise and they are just there to overcomplicate your trading psychology. So never, look at this. On Torah Markets platform, there are all the indicators for you to choose from. All of these indicators. But fuck this. We can't follow these indicators. Do not open any of these indicators. Imagine that this window indicators does not even exist. This indicators are meant to just, make you lose, make you overcomplicate things. So whoever mentor or whoever guy, guru, or yourself tells you that we should follow indicators, indicators are bullshit. Unless you are following indicators like, the volume indicators that gives you the volume in the market, because obviously you need to trade when the market is volatile. So maybe you can follow that indicator, sure, but no, indicators are not good. So we have broken past this support, and I've just taken a small sell right here. I'm imagining, oh shit, you know what? I just made a mistake. I was just talking and distracted. There was another support right here, look. Right here. So now I'm going to head over to, now when I'm into this trade, so let's see if this trade is even worth keeping or not. So there was a 15-minute support here. So guys, publicly I'm admitting that this sell was taken by mistake because I did not study it properly. I did not look at this support area right here, and I just got into this sell. So now, before I close this position, let's analyze to see if the price is going to actually go down. So going on the lower time frame, we're going to stick to this area. We're going to draw another range right here. Look at this. So unless and until price goes above this range, because now this is a range, this area, okay? So unless and until price goes above this range, this resistance, I am holding my trade, right? Because, if the price stays below this resistance, that means it's an indication that the price will drop up until here. So the price should drop up until this area, this support, right? So let's see. I'm overall $979 in profit anyways. So even if this trade is opened up in by mistake, so I mean, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna stick with this trade for now, because technically, it sort of makes sense for gold to push down. But the mistake on my part is that I've taken this trade too early. This trade should have been taken right here. If you were imagining that gold is going to push down, you should have taken a trade here, right here on this resistance area. I'm going to zoom it for you. Right here, right? So, but I mean, yeah. So let's see. The new 5-minute candle has really started. We're going to head over to the 1-minute time frame. and the 1 minute time frame, yeah. So we're going to be just watching this 1 minute candle to break past this area. That's what we're looking at. Many firms are tough rules. Absolutely. Many firms have like so stupid rules. Like any firm that is telling you that you cannot have. Now imagine. Okay, my throat is dry. Let me come back. Okay, so we are back. Now imagine that any prop firm, or if I was trading this account on a prop firm, imagine this and hear me out. If I was trading this account on a prop firm that has a rule, that has a condition that I cannot lose more than 1% per trade, or that has some sort of restriction that I cannot lose. You know, there's a drawdown limit on per trade. They have that rule, and many prop firms do. Look at their FAQ sections. I cannot stay in a drawdown in my trade for too long, even though it makes sense. You know, to technically, like I've taken this trade early, okay, my mistake, right? But if I had that drawdown limit per trade, I would be, right now, I would not be having a good feeling, because even though technically it makes sense that I should hold on to this trade because it will be in this range, the price, so eventually it is going to go down. But then if I have that drawdown limit per trade, then I'm in a very different mindset, right? So because per trade, I cannot go in a drawdown for too long because I'm going to breach my account. That's number one. That's how it hurts your psychology completely. So you have no freedom to trade. That's number one, right? Oh, wow. Okay, so we are dropping as analyzed, right? As analyzed, we are dropping, and I feel that we are gonna drop all the way down to, if there's a pullback, I'm gonna open up another $5 lot to sort of scale my position. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for a pullback, and then I'm gonna take my position on like a good enough pullback, right? So yeah, so like what I was saying, so if you're in a, yeah, there's no pullback, so like I don't want to take another position. Okay, pull back. The price should pull back up until here before. Okay, so we're gonna take a position now. Yeah, so, oh buddy, you need to stop. Yeah, so what I was saying, yeah, so if you have a drawdown limit, that fucks up your entire trader psychology, you know, because you're trading in fear, right? So always trade with a prop firm that has the least amount of bullshit rules on it. Many firms, please do gold analysis. So gold analysis, in short, I'm going to go to the daily time frame, and the daily time frame is bearish. So that's what's going on with the daily time frame. It's completely bearish. And we're going to head over to the 4-hour time frame, and the 4-hour time frame is also bearish. It's going down, right? So overall momentum is down. It was going up for all this time, but now it's just going down. And the way I've taken my trade is based on this analysis where the current 4-hour candle is pushing down, and I'm expecting this current 4-hour candle to hit the area around 3950, where the price should end up hitting, you know, for me to take my profit. I'm gonna head over to the 1-hour time frame, and the 1-hour time frame. Now, the most important thing for you to do is to draw your trend lines, because it just makes things so clear, right? Everything is very clear when you draw all these trend lines, right? So you should just do that. Like, look at my drawdown. If I was in a prop firm and I had a drawdown limit on per trade I would be in a very different psychology and suffocated during my trade. So that would just not be good. That would be not good. Okay, so the new 1 hour candle has started, and the last 1 hour candle has broke past the support. It has created a bullish range here, and the current 1 hour candle is pushing up, which is not good, which is not at all good. So, and firms have IP address rules. Yeah, exactly. Also, wow, there's one rule that I just remembered. There are prop firms who have the trader idea rule, that if your trading idea is messed up, then you breach your account. Talking about breaching my account, look at this shit. This is not good. Let's head over to some analysis. Fuck. Yeah. This was a bad trade. This was a very bad trade. Because, look at this. It literally just like respected this support and just pushed up. So now I'm just going to wait for the current, this price. It's either going to come up until here, but that's going to be a big drawdown for me. And it's a trader idea rule as well that you have to look for in a prop firm, that if a prop firm has this, like, if your trading idea, so for example, I am in these cells and I close these cells right now. Okay. So if I close these cells right now and then the price drops the next minute and I go in cells again, that means I have breached my account, right? Why? Is because the prop firm will tell you that, oh, your trader idea was bad, right? And you are gambling. So gambling behavior, and they're going to breach your account. That's bullshit, right? Because look at this. I just took my entries earlier. My analysis was correct. I took my entries early. I just didn't wait for the price to really, and then eventually if it has to fall, then it will fall. And I should be able to get in my trade. So I shouldn't be caring about and wondering about this trader idea bullshit, right? So at Pipstone, there's no fucking bullshit like trader idea going bad and it's crazy. It's crazy the amount of hidden rules that prop firms have. And you have to be very, very careful when it comes to, choosing a prop firm for yourself. But I cannot go live until dark mode is ready for you as well. What is not ready? I'm getting some messages from my tech team at Pipstone Capital. Coupon auto applied is done. Okay. So now the coupon codes, you don't have to apply them. If you saw a coupon code, it's going to be auto applied for you. I just got an update from my tech team that the coupon code is going to be applied automatically for you, just so that you don't miss any discounts. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's a great update for this morning. Follow Umair Raja because Umair takes trades live, not offline. Should we keep the stream then because I want to win the giveaway? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You should stick to this stream. Man, I'm in a drawdown, man. This is not good. This is not good. I think I should close. Yeah, this is going up. This looks like it's going to go up. If it breaks past this area, then it's going up. But then, what I'm thinking, that it will still drop, because the thing is that you have to look at the higher time frames. Look at the higher time frames. The higher time frame always prevails, right? So currently, I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. So I'm going to wait for this 15-minute candle to close in loss or in profit. That's it, right? And we're going to make sense why I lost money and why I made money, and this will give you guys a good understanding of when you should take your entries, how you should take your entries, and all that kind of stuff, right? So yeah, so like up until 12:15, so in 10 minutes I'm going to be done with this trade, and then we're going to do a lucky draw for the $10,000 Pipstone funded account, and then let's see who wins. Love your energy. I love your energy too. You know, you're here on every single stream, so I love your energy too. Absolutely, sir. Support and resistance के ऊपर कैंडल क्लोज, फिर क्यों एसएल कैंडल क्लोज करे, सो इस बारे में भी बताएं, थैंक्स. हैं, ये आपका सवाल मुझे समझ नहीं आया. सर, सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर कैंडल क्लोज, ओके, फिर कौन सी कैंडल क्लोज करे इस बार, ओके. So इस टाइम पे the reason why I am in a loss, look at this, because the last 15-minute candle closed above the support. It was unable to break the support, and this was a bad trade. I'm not trying to justify this trade. This trade was a bad trade. ये मैंने bad trade लिया है, wrong trade है, गलत trade है, and the reason why I'm just sticking with my trade right now is because the percentage drawdown on my account is very low. So that's the reason why I'm sticking with the trade, because you know overall I do see gold dropping. So at the end of the day वो drop करेगा, मैं थोड़ी और lots खोल दूंगा, and that's my plan, right? So that's my personal plan. You should always have your own plan. But वही हुआ कि the last 15-minute candle closed above the support. It was unable to break the support. So this was a good buy opportunity right here for the next 15-minute candle to push up, which it did, right? Because price ने आपको indication दिया है कि at this area it's unable to go past this area. So in the meantime, at the time being, it's a buy opportunity. I hope that makes sense. We are about to reach 50 people watching. Yeah, so 10K account is already unlocked, so don't worry about it. Have a good luck, guys. Yeah, have you been trading? I have been trading a lot. Can you please show your analysis by drawing trend lines? देखें, I have drawn all the trend lines. Connect the body of the candle from the other body. Keep, like, bring it all the way up, and that's pretty much what it is, right? So currently the price is retesting this area. So that's basically what it is. And see, on every time frame I've drawn a trend line, right? Even on the 5-minute time frame I've drawn a trend line. Look at this, right? So now I'm going to adjust this trend line like this on the 5-minute time frame, because I'm thinking that the current 5-minute candle is going to push down. So yeah, I feel that's going to happen, but let's see what happens. I'm going to register Pipstone today. Absolutely. You should register Pipstone right now. Take rest, bro. Read messages. Yeah, I am reading messages. Honestly, after reading this message, that's when I started reading messages. Oh, really? Really? Do we have 500 subscribers? One more subscriber to 500, yeah? I don't know, I cannot check it. But we have 51 people watching and we have 500 subscribers. I don't know. Please also recommend learning platforms. So learning platforms, you know, just stay tuned. Stay tuned to the stuff that I'm creating. It's going to be a blockbuster mega shit that I'm going to drop in the market. And you're just going to know. You're just going to know. It's going to be like this. What I'm creating for you guys, it's going to be this. If you're a part of that, and if you don't know anything about trading, if you don't even know about trend line, candlestick, pip, you know nothing. It's going to be an A to Z situation for you, you know. So just remember that. And I cannot reveal too much, but it's going to drop very soon. It's going to drop very, very soon. oh shit, the price is going to go up, and yeah, it's a very strong indication that the price is just going to shoot up from here. So let's see what's going on. उमैर भाई अपने जो फंडेड अकाउंट गिव अवे किया था वो कब तक मिलेगा? रोहान शहजाद, yeah, right. So do expect, so whoever is winning funded accounts, as long as you have sent me a DM on Instagram, just wait for 24 to 48 hours, something like that, for my tech team to activate your account. I'm saying it live, so whoever is going to win the funded account even today, your account might be live today, but it's just a matter of me going into my personal DM, because I get a lot of messages there. So going in there, and then just, having your funded account go live. So be patient, please. And absolutely 100% you will get your funded account 100%. So actually, you know what, Rohan Shahzad, I'm gonna do it. My phone is not working. So I'm gonna do it right after this stream. I'm gonna get onto this. I'm gonna, it might be honestly live if you check your account right now, because the tech team is live and they should have done it by now. But if it's not, then it should be done after the stream. So all the giveaway winners on this live stream, because these giveaways are personally done by me on casual basis, right? So there's no planning behind it. No one knows in the company that I'm doing a giveaway. So no one is prepared to really like set up your giveaway and like, to get that giveaway done for you, right? So just stay patient, because there's a process behind it, right? So just stay patient. Oh, it's not even cold in Dubai, but that's my situation. So look at my loss today. I'm going to go to close positions, and yeah, the bad trade, stupid trade that I took, got into sales too early. Okay, so Umair bhai, jo funded account, this, please also recommend learning platforms, and please also add MT5 on your prop firm, then it should be the best prop firm. To answer your question about MT5 is like Apple iPhone. Apple iPhone is not the best in the industry. Yet people are like, oh, mujhe iPhone chahiye, right? It's literally that. Android is, in my opinion, far better and far more powerful than Apple. Even though I myself have 2 iPhones, I am going to get an Android very soon. Android is the best in the market. It's more powerful. So it's just like that. MT5 is not the best platform. In my opinion, if you look into CTrader platform, CTrader is by far, it has the most functionality in it. So that's my opinion. For prop firms in particular, MatchTrader is the best, in my opinion, for prop firms. So MT5 is just an old platform, just like FTMO is the prop firm that everyone knows about, FTMO. But if you go and look into their rules, that why would you trade on FTMO? Like why? Just because it's the oldest platform, that's why. But it's not the best when it comes to rules and when it comes to all these things. Just read their black and white and you'll know, right? So that's pretty much what it is. Come on, guys. And learning, please give away course. How many years you have experience in Forex? I have 10 years. I took my course and I started learning Forex in 2015. That's when I started. Your video is lagging. Hopefully it's not lagging anymore. जो funded account give away किया था वो कब तक मिलेगा? 28 अक्टूबर को आपने किया था. So today is the 30th of October. Wait for 24 to 48 hours, please. It takes time. And today, absolutely 100%, you're going to get it. And tomorrow, when you're going to come to the live stream, you can tell everyone that you got your funded account. That's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. And you got the 5K funded account. So we're going to do that. And that was the 5K, I think. Anyway, it's going to be live after this stream. Please add MT5 on a prop firm. No, I will not be adding MT5 on the prop firm. When did you start trading? 10 years ago, 2015. Bro, your subscribers are jumping since giveaway announcement. Well, people like free stuff. People like free stuff. What's the difference between Raja Banks and you? The difference between Raja Banks and me is Raja Banks is 6 feet 2 and I am 6 feet. You know, so this is the difference between us. What is, yes, when did you start trading? Full episode, sir, we are waiting. When are you adding MT5? I'm not adding MT5 on Pipstone Capital. No, MT5 is coming on Pipstone Capital. Fix your camera, please. Camera is fixed, yeah, camera, look. I think camera is fixed. I think I'm good. Bro, lagging your stream. I don't know why my stream is lagging. Pick me up. Please add MT5 on a prop firm. No. We are waiting for your course. Man, the day my course comes out, it's not going to be just another course with videos and all that stupid shit in it. It's going to be something that is going to be like, wow. It's going to be like, wow. Like, you're going to look at that, you're going to be like, fuck. You know, that's what you're going to, you know, you're going to DM me. And you're going to be like, fuck. Like, this is just insane. A course, मैंने आपको इंस्टाग्राम पर मैसेज किया हुआ है. यार रोहान शहजाद 6498, you will get your funded account, the one that you won on giveaway on the 28th of October. You are going to get it today. You will get it. Absolutely. 100%. Now chill. You know, relax. Relax. I will try Torah markets based on your opinion. Yeah. Why not? Torah markets, I'm trading on Torah markets right now. You know? So if I draw a trend line here, look at this. This is Torah markets execution. I'm going to do a live execution for you. Well, I'm not going to lose money just to show it to you. I'm going to wait for the price to hit this trend line. Then I'll take a sell. And I'll show you how quick the execution is. Lightning fast, because market, especially gold, does not wait for you. Gold does not wait. So you need a broker that has the fastest ever execution. As soon as you press buy or sell, it just executes the trade right away. I will, sir, all trend line, remove new draw. Okay. All trend line. Let's remove all the trend lines. There we go. Trend line course, guys. Free course. Free crash course on trend lines is about to commence in the next few seconds. Look at this. Free crash course on trend line, support and resistance is happening. Boom. Boom. Amazing. Look at this. You know, even drawing shit on Torah Markets platform is a breeze. It's amazing. So, here are the charts. Naked. Right in front of you. Right? So, whenever you start trading, you need to look at the charts and you need to start with the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you will draw that first trend line to overall understand where the market is going. I had to end this stream. Okay, so I'm going to end this stream in the 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes. So the daily time frame is pushing up. So draw your trend line from here, connecting all the retest areas all the way through. Okay. So now I'm going to head over to the 4-hour time frame. And the 4-hour time frame, look at this. So now draw your trend line connecting these bodies, retest areas all the way through. So I'm going to draw the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to connect all these prices and I'm going to take it all the way up. Okay, look at this. I started all the way from here and boom. All right. So if you now see that price retested here, retested here, retested here, retested sort of here, and then it retested here as well before it broke past the trend line. Okay, this was an indication with all these ranges that next time price will break past it. And I made a loss over here as well in one of my streams, by the way. Now draw another trend line. Connecting first these areas. So first to retest, so boom, boom, and then boom, it broke past it, retest, and now it's pushing up. This is the trend line break strategy. Whenever a downward trend is broken, it broke, it pushed up, it pulled back, retest, and then now it should go back up. But if it falls down from here, that might create another trend line right here. So if you adjust this trend line, connecting this retest to this retest, currently price is retesting this trend line. So it might push up from here. Who knows? We have to wait, right? Another thing, support and resistance, a very important thing right here. It's a double top situation. This is an indication of reversal. So the price made a double top, pushed down, and now it's a downward trend. But we are seeing a higher bottom, a higher low. A higher low created here and then here. So we're going to head over to the 1 minute, 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, we are going to make another trend line from here to here. Boom. Right? That's another trend line. So currently on the 1 hour time frame, now I have very clear picture that I should now be either waiting for the price to hit this trend line and take a sell position, or I should wait for price to hop here and take a buy. Sell, buy, sell, buy. And then stop loss outside of trend line right here. If the price breaks past it, that means trend line break ho gayi hai. You're going to hit your stop loss, close your position. If the price goes past this trend line, that means it has been broken and you should close your trade. But this is a great 10 to 15 pip buy opportunity right here if the price retests this trend line. Or here, if the price retests this trend line, we're going to take a sell. So in short, this was a crash course on trend lines. Free education. I will try to our markets based on your opinion. Absolutely. Different account giveaway किया था. अच्छा ठीक है रोहान आपका मैसेज पढ़ लिया है. Please sir, launch the course soon. Absolutely, I will launch it. And that's not just going to be in any other course. Double top pattern works most of the time. Absolutely, you are correct. Ashik Abdullah, you are absolutely correct. I'm loving the trend line strategy. I plotted the trend line in same way. Good strategy. Now it's time to get it, man. So nice, man. Yes sir, yes, absolutely. Absolutely, this shit makes sense. This shit absolutely makes sense. What's the worst thing in MT5? What's the best thing in CTrader? MT5 is the UI, UX, whatever you call it. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's not as clear for me. When trend line will be invalid? Okay, so I'm going to do that in tomorrow's stream. So that's pretty much it. So we're going to do a giveaway. And let's do a giveaway now. So all of you guys who are, live, just start sending messages and then I'm going to do a giveaway. Let me show you live how I do a giveaway. Let me show you live. Here's a chat, okay? So start messaging, everyone. Start sending messages just so that I know that people are live. And then whoever is live, then I'm gonna, I'm gonna do a giveaway, announce a giveaway. So start sending random messages, whatever you want to type on your keyboard. Just start doing that. Let the chat go crazy. And look at this. This is how I do my giveaway. I just start shuffling this chat up and down, and then I start looking at, like, you know, and somewhere else, and then I'm gonna be shuffling the shit out of this chat up and down, and I'm gonna just, like, you know, just stop it, and the first name that my eyes read is the giveaway winner. This is literally how I do a giveaway, you know. So I'm gonna do this, whatever, and I'm gonna stop. And where is this guy? I just read the name and it went up. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. So the first name that pops in front of my eyes, that's the winner. So I'm gonna look up and I'm gonna shuffle the chat up and down, and the first person that comes in front of me, Serve Meta E1H. Serve Meta E1H is the winner of the giveaway. This is literally how I do giveaway, guys. You know, I'm gonna shuffle the shit out of the chat, and I'm gonna look at the chat, and whatever name comes in front of my eyes first, that's the name that's gonna be the winner for the giveaway. So congratulations, Serve Meta E1H, for winning the Pipstone Capital $10,000 funded account. Congratulations again. So please inbox me, send me a personal message on my personal Instagram, and with a screenshot of your YouTube handle, and you're gonna get your giveaway. And good luck trading your $10,000 funded account, and I hope you take out some big fucking payouts. This was an amazing session, guys. Lots of learning for every one of us, especially for myself personally, because I took a very wrong sell trade and I closed my session in a loss. So I made net $10,000 on Monday or Tuesday, and I lost $10,000 today. So currently in the week, I am break even. That's my situation. But thank you everyone for joining this live stream. I love you all, and I'm gonna see you guys probably tomorrow. It's not confirmed because Fridays is just tricky because market is entering the weekend. But I'm gonna update everyone. But thank you again for joining my live stream. I'm gonna see you all until next time.